So how to tie a tie. This video was inspired by my uncle who doesn't know how to tie a tie. So this is for you, Theo. So listen up. First step is you gotta go look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself you're not a man. You're not a man. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, so now I'm gonna show you how to tie a tie. So you can see on the tie, a lot of ties will have these little stitching right here. That's kind of where your neck goes, in between that. Unless you have a really big neck, then that's another problem you need to solve. So there, put it around your neck. In case you don't know where it's supposed to be, I always have the short tongue on my left hand side and the big tongue on my right hand side. And if, let's say your tie doesn't have those little stitching, I always measure it where the short end gets to your belly button. My belly button is like right here. Some people's belly button might be up here, but mine's right here, like normal. Now you're gonna get the big tongue and go over, right? And you can get it kind of close to your neck, but you're gonna need some space. Now you get the big one that you went over and go under like that. Theo, listen, Theo.
Okay.
This is how you do it. Okay. Now you're gonna have to tighten it. So you got one side tightened. Now you're gonna go under, behind the little tongue, then go over and through the loop, and now you're gonna tighten that. So that way you have a very strong V like this. Now you're gonna go over horizontally, then under. You're gonna create a loop here, and that's where the big tongue comes through. And you just pull it till it's pretty tight. Doesn't look perfect, but now, boom, perfect. And then you use the little tongue to just tighten it up, as so. And you could look better to do it in the mirror so you can see how it looks. And that's how it's supposed to be, basically. And when you actually tighten it up, you'll notice the little tongue is either an inch behind or just a little bit behind it, but it has to be behind. And that's how you tie a tie. Now, Theo, let me show you how to wipe your butt. So come on.